The one thing that makes me cringe every time I hear it, and I hear it quite often, is when people say, oh, I do Justin Agustin workouts because it's for lazy people like me. You are not lazy. You are the total opposite of lazy. The beginner fitness level is one of the most challenging levels to be in. Yes, the workouts might not seem as challenging as the other levels, but it's all subjective based on your personal level. Starting from scratch, working out with a condition, working out after an injury, working out during your darkest days are some of the hardest things that you could ever do. But you're here and you're doing it. That takes a lot of mental toughness. It takes a lot of determination, and that's the total opposite of laziness. If anything, the fitter you are, the fitter you get, the easier it gets. So you're not lazy. Quit putting yourself down. You're doing your best, and that is a lot. Keep going on this fitness journey. Talk nicer to yourself. You got this, you always have, and you are never lazy.